Snow Titan by AceClamp is an industrial-grade snow retention system built to battle the baddest blizzards on wide-span insulated metal roofs. Snow Titan works with insulated panels like Kingspan, MBCI, and Nucor, and reduces the overall hardware requirements by covering wider spans, up to 42 inches. Snow Titan saves on job costs by installing faster, while providing the greatest stopping power against snow avalanches in critical commercial environments. Let's jump in for a closer look. Snow Titan ships fully assembled with non-penetrating sliding pin clamps that work without set screws or drilling, helping you protect your roofing panel finish and warranty. Snow Titan's claws secures the rail quickly and with just one tool, providing a secure connection that has been engineered and tested to handle extreme spans and snow loads with ease. Complete your installation with our toolless snap-in ice flags, which provide further protection by preventing large sections of snow and ice from passing under the rail. For a custom quote and recommendation for your roof, visit AceClamp.com.